Hello, my name is Leo Hicker, reporting on a week of weather for ATM101 at the University of Alaska Fairbanks. I'm reporting on the week of weather from Monday, February 4th to Friday, February 8th, 2019, from Wiseman, Alaska. Wiseman's located in the Koyukuk River Valley here with mountains on either side. I am at approximately 1,200 feet, surrounded by mountains on the east and west, with the valley running north-south. The temperature at the beginning of the week was approximately 11.5 below, and by Tuesday was down at approximately 21 below. The temperature climbed during the rest of the week all the way to approximately 16 above by Friday. The min-max data starts as the same as my observation temperature on Monday, as I did not have a 24-hour period prior to that. After that, each min-max data cycle represents the cycle that the current temperature was observed in. Pressure on Monday was approximately 1,016 millibars, dropping on Tuesday down to just over 1,014 millibars, and then rapidly climbing to 1,017.6 millibars, and finally all the way up to just over 1,019 millibars. The wind throughout the week was relatively consistent northerly with light to moderate speeds. As for the clouds, on Monday, the sky was approximately one half covered with stratocumulus clouds. There was no precipitation. By Tuesday, it had cleared to cirrostratus clouds with approximately 1/4 sky cover, with again no precipitation. By Wednesday, the cirrostratus clouds had become altostratus clouds with light snow and approximately 3/4 sky cover. By Thursday, clouds had become low stratus clouds and snow, and by Friday, stratus clouds remained with heavy snow. The barometric pressure and air temperatures follow similar trends, starting a little higher at the beginning, dropping by the second day, and then steadily climbing to their maximum values on the last day. The cloud and precipitation follows a similar pattern. The temperature graph toward the end shows the observation temperature and the maximum temperature for that day being very close together. This is indicating that the temperature is rising rapidly, with each day ending, or each observation period ending warmer than it started, showing a warming trend. Here's my local observation site with heavy snowfall today. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.